Hi everyone, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today I'm showcasing this stunning, beautiful home in Millbrae Meadows. This is such a beautiful space that I'm going to show you something that we don't get to see and something we actually even get to see, but we don't know what they are. So let's come and take a look. So from the front yard, we get to see a beautiful landscaped space that has a widened driveway that can put actually 3 cars. And then in this mulched area, even though they don't really put in grass, but they already have chicken wire ready, so there's no funny animals pop out in the middle of the night. And also there's sprinklers just in case any day you want to plant nice lawn or any plants or flowers. How thoughtful. And the handrail is beautifully custom made. They're powder coated, so it's rust proof and water resistant. And then coming into the living space, this is a beautiful open floor plan. So we love open floor plan, but we don't know how we make it happen. I'll share with you. There's a shear wall here. What they do is in an earthquake, they stabilize the house. And so you know during, hopefully never happens, any big earthquake, this house will stay still and solid. So in this space, we got 1, 2, 3 exterior wall, all brand new constructed. Yes, you heard me right. They're brand new constructed with new studs, new siding, and new interior drywall. Also, new sliding door and new windows. It's just like a new construction except a few slabs, isn't it? Also, they have a brand new 16 by 16 deck that they seal every 4th of July. So this house is new and super well maintained. This house is so fully equipped with all the gadgets in the pantry area. And of course, the hallway bathroom is also beautiful and brand new, built in 2018. Smart devices everywhere. There's Nest thermostat, Nest smoke detector, and also a lot of built-in speakers in many spaces. I want to show you this brand new master bathroom that has an open layout with all different amazing devices and fixtures. For example, this mirror itself, it has the LED control of the lighting and also has a plug inside for toothbrush, so you won't have all the clutters in your counter. And only the mirror itself is about $4,000 or a few $1,000s out there. It's the budget for somebody to update a bathroom, a small one. And wall-hung toilet, of course, a safe space, but also I love it because when we mop the floor, we don't have to go around the toilet. You just go through it. Welcome to this downstairs fully legalized 700 square foot of new construction space. Feels like it, right? With a level 5 smooth finished wall, 9 recessed ceiling light, 4 built-in speakers, smoke detector of a smart devices, and the downstairs internet access point. Also, lots of plug-in little tubes for all the speakers, TV, all the devices around the house. It's just fully loaded. And I want to share with you something that is only you can see if it's a homeowner does for themselves, but not a flipper would do. Do you see recessed light in the window? Can you believe that? I've never seen that. It's so detail-oriented. I'm like, wow, I'm touched. Welcome to the downstairs laundry room. Right here, there's a few hidden secrets I want to share with you. Other than there's a little storage on the side, all these plugs are actually built to code for a kitchen. And for a laundry machine, we probably will have electricity and also the gas behind. So if you actually need a kitchen, just bring these to the garage and plug in a stove. There you go, you got your ADU kitchen right here. Behind the door, it's an extra bonus storage space. That is because it's behind the underneath of the staircase. So it's a bonus square foot. It's not in the county record, and you're using it. You don't have to pay tax for it. Isn't that amazing? So we're gonna walk across and see this beautiful downstairs bathroom. I love it because, oh my gosh, this house, all the mirrors are so high-end, other than the one upstairs, fully loaded. This one also, you can defog, you can change color, you can turn it on and off. It's kind of like a toy. And on the shower also, it's a curbless. So if it's an elderly living here, gosh, it's so convenient and safe. Water just drain to the side. When you have hair, you just pop it up and then grab it. There's a catch. And all brand new and high-end fixtures ready for you to move in. So normally I don't show a busy garage, but this one I just so impressed by all the system in the house, and it's hidden. So here we go. Look at this. I feel like it's such an engineered design that you get to exactly tell which button goes to which bathroom, which faucet. You get to control the hot and cold right here. You're a master to not to just only control all the gadget device, but also the water. And right here, it's a hot water recirculating system. So you can program the time between, for example, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Any given time, you'll never need to wait for the hot water because it's kept recirculating, and you just turn it on, hot water falls out. And by the way, how often do you get to see recessed ceiling light in a garage? I'm just like, wow, this is a busy garage because of the solid you live in. But I do want to share with you, there's no water heater or furnace in the garage because everything is so optimized. The furnace is in the attic, and the water heater I'm going to show you is outside. It's a tankless, so the garage is fully occupiable for cars and storage. So functional. Of course, there's also, smart door lock everywhere for you to access. And here we go. Let's take a look at the outside. Earlier, I mentioned about the tankless water heater, and this one is that. By the way, I forgot to tell you, there are 2 level 2 charger for your Tesla or just any electrical car in the garage. So check it out there as well. And here is a brand new electric panel, but that's not it. There is a electric generator. So in case there's a power outage, we get to generate the whole house, power the whole house, except air conditioning, and the whole house could be fully functioning. There's a surge protector. What that is when there's lightning striking the house, your very expensive computer or just any equipment will be protected and will not get destroyed. It will save you millions of dollars that way. And a cable box for high-speed internet. So here is our beautiful backyard. Oh my gosh, I love it because this backyard, it doesn't have any neighbors to get to see you. It's so private and flat. Wonderful apple trees. It gives you flowers in the spring and fruits in the fall. Lately, the global warming is getting everybody hotter and hotter in the summer. And this house, you don't need to worry because it actually comes with an air conditioning unit. And here on the side is a sprinkler system for the whole house, for the front and the back. In the backyard, there's also beautiful vegetable garden for your hobby, and just a wonderful flat yard, flat lawn for your kids to run around, or hanging in the apple tree for a swing to enjoy the summer breeze. I love enjoying the backyard and looking at the house because all the 3 facades are brand new. What do you think about the house? I love it. I am so impressed by all the details and thoughtfulness the seller put into this house. Definitely not like a flipper. Definitely a forever home for any new home owner like you. 感谢您跟我们一起参观这个房子。这个房子业主摆了好多的心思在里边，除了美丽，而且实用，而且实用性还是比一般的房子都更健全。希望你過嚟參觀，我們跟您一一解讀。多謝你同我哋一齊參觀，希望喺開放日 Open House 度見到你，同你慢慢解釋所有嘅功能，真係好令人心動咧！快啲過嚟睇下，拎包入住啦！